What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my winter bike customization video series. Today we're going to change the timing cover on my 2018 Harley-Davidson Sport Glide. Alright, so in these videos I'm going to do custom work on my bike over the winter. I'm not riding. The weather looks awful, so I'm just going to do some work on the bike, a little custom work, a little bit of flavor to it to kind of make it my own. This gives me a lot of time to get to know my bike a little bit better and to make it look more like a bike that I want it to be. So it's all winterized. I did my winterization video a few videos back. So it's just sitting here on the battery tender right now. And we're going to do our first video today. I'm going to put a new timing cover on it. This is actually really easy to do. Timing cover is located right here. And this is just a decorative piece. It's just for aesthetics. That's it. All it does is just gives your bike a little bit of flavor. Now what I decided to do was go with a fin to look for a lot of the accessories on the bike to kind of tie in with the fins on the engine here. And this timing cover is from Kuryakyn. I'll put a link in the description below, but this is kind of where I'm going. See how it all kind of ties in? So that's going to go here. So let's get to installing this. Alright, all you need for this and what comes in the box is the timing cover itself, couple of screws, and some instruction sheet that I don't think you're going to need because it's just taking two screws out, popping off the old one, and putting the new one on with the new screws with the hardware that just came in it. And what's good about these is it comes with thread locker on it already. That way you don't have to put anything on that yourself. And for tools, all you need is a T20 Torx bit on a screwdriver or a ratchet or something. And that's it, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to take my T20 Torx screwdriver bit here to remove, lefty-loosey. Always make sure you're working carefully, that you don't scratch your chrome or your pipes. Alright, so there's the old plate, and I will keep this handy in case never want to use it again, or maybe somebody will want it. Alright, so we'll take our new timing cover with our hardware that was in the box, and we'll just apply it right over here. Now as you can see, there's nothing behind here really. It's just a place to put a little decorative piece. So it's actually not covering or protecting anything here. Now there are not Torx settings really for this. It's just get them hand tight. Just don't over tighten them. You know, you don't want to strip the screws. You don't want to strip anything else in there. So just kind of get it hand tight and you're good. And there you go. Easy peasy. You've just replaced the timing cover on your Harley-Davidson. Now this should be the same for all Milwaukee-Eight Softails. I don't know, the other ones might be different. There might be Torx specs, but like I said, there's not much to it. It's just make sure it's on there tight, not too tight. Don't over tighten. And that's it. Goodbye, old timing cover. Oh, some of you guys that watch the channel might have started watching because I previously rode a 2014 Harley Iron 883, but I have this Willie Max bag that I've had less than a year that's in pretty much perfect shape. There's a little scuffing on this back side, but that's what it's for. But this thing I think retails for about $90, $80, $90 brand new, and I'm asking $45, $50 for it. So if you want a nice bag for your Iron 883 Sportster, get a hold of me. This is for sale. I'll put a link in the comments below, that way you guys could check out the specs and everything for it. If you guys notice here, I got a locker. I keep my gear and some of my bike stuff in, stuff I wash my bike with, extra oil, my riding gear. And what I'm hoping to do is fill this whole thing with Moto Vlogger stickers. I've got a few on here now, mostly just Moto Carry right now. Moto Carry, thank you for sending me some stickers. But I do want to fill this whole front with stickers from Moto Vloggers. So if you guys want to send me a sticker, contact me on social media, on Instagram or on Facebook, and I'll give you an address if you want to send me one. And I do plan on getting stickers made myself, so everybody that does send me one, I will return the favor. So let's get this filled up this winter, man. I'd love to see this covered with motovlogger stickers. That'd be awesome. And I tell you what, I don't know about this Illinois weather, man. It gets weirder every year. You know, we just had snow a week ago, and yesterday, I'm filming this December 2nd. Yesterday was December 1st, of course, but we actually had a tornado come through this area. And it's nuts because it's freaking December. You expect snow, but yeah, we had a tornado warning on the news, and then it actually ended up hitting just like less than one county over. I mean, like, the next county over is like 10 miles to the east, and it actually hit a couple of businesses. I know it hit the County Classic Cars in Staunton, and this sucks because they actually got hit by a fire a couple years ago. So they just got done recovering from that fire, and now they're dealing with the tornado damage, and I mean, it's pretty bad. But anyway, here's some footage of the tornado. Thanks to Ken and Dion Manzer for letting me use this footage in the video, but here, check it out. It's pretty gnarly. Man, that was freaking ridiculous looking, and I really hope nobody was injured or worse in that storm yesterday. But well wishes to everybody if you had property that was damaged. Hopefully nobody got hurt. I mean, I've been through it. I mean, tornado damage sucks. We had one come through here about 5 years ago, and it did a lot of damage to our house, and it's not fun. It's scary stuff. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking out this video. Please leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for more customization videos, and I'll see you in the next one.